Good day, folks, and welcome to the IT Way. Yes, I am back. But this video is very special. It's for first to tell you that thank you very much for watching this video. And we finally this week reached the 10,000 subscribers in the IT Way channel. Thank you very much, because if you're watching this video, you're one of us. And thanks to you, we reached to this huge milestone for me, which is 10,000 subscribers, this is the beginning. I hope to get to the 100 and to the 1 million with your help and the continued support that you always been doing. Thank you. If you're just watching this video out of nowhere or just watch one of the videos in the IT Way, it means that you are part of the crowd now. You're part of the tribe. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you if you're one of the ones that watch this video and another one all over again because you want to go back and understand a little bit more about that specific feature. Thank you very much. If you wrote those videos and those comments, I read them, trust me, even though I haven't replied, but I read you. So thank you very much for supporting that in that aspect. And thank you for the ones who subscribe and just still waiting for any update to see if I'm gonna post any other comments or any other YouTube video. So that's what I'm here. Thank you very much for everyone. And this is the 10,000 subscribers milestone is for you as well. But I'm here as well to announce what's next. What has been cooking inside of the IT Way group or project that we haven't been able to do too much or any significant value posting in the YouTube video for more than a year. But I'm gonna tell you. So it's been a lot of different personal things and commitments that I've been able to play around a little bit with the YouTube video. But now that I'm back, I would like to show you a little bit of the things that we're planning to do in the next couple of months. First, what we're planning to do is to keep focusing in the Cisco Meraki portfolio, the Cisco Meraki solutions and features. If you see the YouTube channel, the last 30 or 40 videos was just about the Cisco Meraki platform. And a lot of things has changed and a lot of things has happened in the last 2 years. So that's what I'm gonna try to keep up. I'm having 3 different elements that I'm gonna tackle that I can tell you. The first will be probably the new solutions and new features that is coming up from the last 2 years, such as Meraki Insight, the AV cameras, and the AMT sensors that we haven't touched yet. A little bit of Secure Connect if I have enough time. So we're gonna cover this aspect for you to be completely up to date to the Cisco Meraki portfolio, that's one of the pieces that I was missing up to this moment. I think that we're gonna cover as well the security integrations that Cisco Meraki platform has with other security solutions inside of Cisco ICE, Cisco Umbrella, Secure Client, and Secure X, for you to know how to integrate all those and how does that work and how to troubleshoot any issue that you might have. So I think that can be useful for you. And one of the elements I think that is going to be very useful for you and valuable for us to cover, it will be the provide assistance of any folks that would like to go through the Cisco Meraki certification, take the Cisco official certification exam. I'm planning to go some kind of a course or some kind of the list of different videos that is going to help you to go through the Cisco Meraki certification blueprint. And you know for sure each point what are the things that you need to know and the parts that you need to cover, and probably provide some examples from the exams or some sample of questions that is going to be useful for you. So just create out of my mind some questions with some multiple choices, so it's going to be helpful. So I think these are the elements that we're going to focus in the next couple of months. But something that we're going to be very curious now that we're here is to know about you, to know where are you from, what are your technical background, technical expertise, what is the level of the journey that you have with the Cisco Meraki platform. Are you already starting at this moment, you don't know anything about, and then you're watching these videos to know more about Cisco Meraki, or you already are probably an IT company that you have the IT Meraki gear already, and then you're trying to ramp up your knowledge, or you are a completely full senior Meraki engineer, completely seasoned, that you just come here for some specific tweak or changes of your features of your network, and that's why you're coming to the video. I'm really, really curious to know about you, and what I'm curious to know about, if you can put in the comments as well, is what are you expecting in the next few months or a few years for this channel? What I can do to help you out in your journey with the Cisco Meraki. If you can put it in the comments below, it's going to be very helpful, and everybody can see it as well. So I'm going to take that in consideration for the next couple of videos that is going to come in. And stay tuned, because more things are coming. So see you in the next one.